Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Anurag, Standing Counsel, accepts notice for respondent number 1. Mr. Ramesh, Advocate, accepts notice for respondent number 2. And Mr. Mishra, Standing Counsel, accepts notice for respondent number 3. Stop. Present petition has been filed under Articles 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India as a public interest litigation seeking a direction to the respondents to provide medical aid and treatment to patients suffering from varied illnesses and diseases other than COVID-19. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioners submits that most of the hospitals are providing treatment to patients suffering from the effects of the deadly virus, while there are other persons who are suffering from serious illnesses such as cancer, kidney problems, etc., and need chemotherapy or dialysis on an urgent basis and therefore are also in need of medical treatment. Stop. He further submits that women who are pregnant also need treatment. Stop. The grievance of the petitioners is that the hospitals are not attending to many cases of medical emergencies and many a times are refusing to entertain patients wanting to undergo dialysis or chemotherapy. Stop. Learned counsel submits that from the newspaper reports it has come to notice that a patient staying in the waiting room of one of the government hospitals had a kidney failure and a spinal problem and required dialysis twice a week, but he was asked to get himself treated at another hospital. Stop. He also points out that another patient, 61 years of age, who had been advised dialysis thrice a week, was refused treatment at a particular hospital and had to run from pillar to post till he was finally treated at a hospital 20 kilometers from his house. Stop. He further points out that even persons with emergency condition are not permitted entry into a hospital in case at the entrance itself they are found to be suffering from high fever. Stop. Sum and substance of the grievance is that the hospitals should entertain and render medical aid to all the medical emergency cases other than those of COVID-19, as also treat patients with cancer or other ailments concerning nephrology, cardiology, etc., as they too are life threatening. Para. The other grievance raised in the petition is that in a situation where a patient is refused treatment, he is unable to contact the right person oblig authority to put forth the grievance, and therefore some helpline numbers should be put in place and given publicity so that in case of distress or grievance the patient or his oblig her relative is able to seek redress on an urgent basis. Stop. The central government as well as the Delhi government have entered appearance through their respective councils on service of an advance copy of the petition. Stop. The matter was argued at length by the respective councils and they have also tendered written notes along with relevant circulars and office orders through email issued on the subject which have been taken on record. Stop. The stand of respondent number 1 oblique central government is that the government is fully sensitive to the requirements of medical aid and treatment to patients suffering from non COVID 19 illnesses, especially those that are life threatening or cause prolonged suffering. Stop.